Hey. So I never thought I'd say this, but right now, I'm standing in the north of Pakistan. People warned me before coming here. They said it's dangerous. But sometimes the most misunderstood places hide the most beautiful stories. And honestly, this might be one of the most beautiful places I've ever seen in my life. Look at this. Wow, this view is absolutely incredible. I could stay here forever. I just arrived this morning after a long journey. The roads were insane, curvy, high. A little scary, but breathtaking. And the turning feels Clyde. This feels different. I'm from England, and I've traveled a lot. This feels different. One thing I noticed immediately, the people. Everyone smiles, everyone says hello.
Welcome. Please have some tea.
Thank you. This would never happen, Bahawan.
Here, it is our way.
These mountains don't feel small. They make you feel small. And somehow, that's beautiful. You realize how fast life moves, how noisy cities are. Everything slows down. The wind, the water, your thoughts. Okay, so let's talk about food. I tried local food today, and wow, it's spicy, it's warm, it feels homemade. I know many of you will ask this, is it safe? I'll be honest, I feel safe, respected, protected. People look out for you here. They guide you, they help you. This place deserves a different story than the one we hear in the news. There was a moment today. I was sitting quietly, just watching the mountains, and I felt something rare, peace. I went for a small hike today. Nothing extreme. I gave the sound feels louder, because I know it feels brighter. This is just the beginning of my journey here. There's so much more to explore. Stay with me. I'll see you in the next one. I am so happy to come and visit Pakistan. It's a very nice place to visit.